Verdens suverænt mest forhadte skrifttype hedder Comic Sans. Hvordan noget så profant som en skrifttype kan fostre vrede over hele verden, det skal vi se på nu.
Det handler om mere end bare en skrifttype.
We really don't think the typeface is all that well designed, but we also just think it's just painfully overused by people who have no concept of what good typography is about. It's like tools in the hands of morons.
Dave og Holly Combs er gift og begge grafiske designere. Da de fandt sammen for 10 år siden, var en af byggestenene i forholdet deres fælles had til skrifttypen Comic Sans. Comic Sans blev designet i midten af 90'erne af en ansat på Microsoft og er i dag verdens mest omdiskuterede skrifttype. Mange elsker at bruge den til alt muligt, og det er lige præcis det, Dave og Holly Combs ikke kan lide. Parret startede ud af frustration kampagnen Ban Comic Sans, forbyd Comic Sans. Og et af de vigtigste våben i krigen mod den forbudte skrift er klistermærker.
Whenever we see the font used badly, every once in a while we'll stick one of these stickers on the offending sign or something like that. And in fact, there is a case that I'm directly aware of. When we did that, we put a sticker on a medical sign that said
Accepting new patients.
Accepting new patients, and it was typeset in Comic Sans.
Yeah.
And it wasn't even like a children's hospital or anything like that. This was like a serious medical clinic. And of course that just doesn't make sense. I don't trust it. It sounds like a joke. So I went and put a sticker on the sign, and about 3 weeks later they replaced the sign and it was set in Times New Roman.
Yeah!
Which made much more sense for a hospital.
Men hvorfor bliver Comic Sans brugt så meget, og hvad er problemet?
There are just thousands of typefaces that people can choose from. It's just so close up in the alphabetical order of your options. People just pick it. And to me in life, I just think there needs to be a lot more thought to what people do, because oftentimes when people communicate, they have something, a tone they want to have with whatever they're doing, but they're not thinking about the tone that the typeface gives what they're saying. So it loses its impact.
Comic Sans er ikke det eneste eksempel på en skrifttype, der har vakt debat. Da møbelgiganten IKEA for nylig valgte at skifte deres gamle skrifttype Futura ud med Verdana, strømmede internettet over med protester og underskriftsindsamlinger mod skiftet.
Number 1. Never use this typeface.
Chancen, eller risikoen, om man vil, for at skrifttypen Comic Sans forsvinder, er meget lille. Men Dave og Holly Combs håber alligevel, at kampagnen Ban Comic Sans vil få folk til at tænke lidt mere over deres valg, næste gang de skal til at vælge mellem Times New Roman, Helvetica og alle de andre typer.
We do want to create awareness that fonts do matter, and it is important what typeface you choose, as well as creating a nice looking layout. It's just as important. Or if you want people to take whatever you're doing seriously, take some time and do it right.
Og her på DR2 Udland lover vi aldrig nogensinde igen at bruge Comic Sans i vores grafikker.